treading barefoot through the morning field. Same dirt on our hands, same sun on our skin. Mother called us home before the night. Two voices answered, we walked back in. The town walls spoke with paper and nails, different words in the same cold air. We shook hands like men who knew too much, said nothing, but everything was there. Different flags in the same hard wind, different roads from the same front door. Same blood running through our veins, but the world asks us for more. Fog rolled in like it knew our names. Line stood quiet, breath held tight. I raised my eyes across the field and saw my past in another light. Same blood, same face, same fear inside, same prayers whispered low. Brother standing on the other side where neither of us could go. For half a second I was 8 years old, laughing where the tall grass bends. Then the cold came back, the drum beat slowed, and I was a soldier again. Same blood shaking on the line, same hands learning how to kill. One shot rang through the morning fog, and the world stood frozen still. No one wins when the smoke is gone. No name survives the sound. Just a photograph in a broken hand, lying silent on the ground.